welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm showing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for, I know it's May 20th to May 26th. It's going to be an okay week, I think. There's some still great deals that are all month long, so hopefully you guys are stocking up on that. But I am on my laptop, so it might be a little bit different than how I do stuff normally. But I'm here to share with you guys what you guys can expect in coupons that you want to try to get in advance of. Right here, they're doing the 10 times everyday points. So if you guys spend $20, that is after coupons, but that is before coupons, but after Walgreens coupons, you guys will get 10 times everyday points. I usually have them scan that first. I don't know why. I just do it. And then I usually just ask for that coupon back because I cut it out, so it's a reminder that I need them to scan it. So just letting you guys know on that. And then right here, they have an awesome deal for the OxyClean. It's going to be $3.99. And then we are getting $3 off coupons in inserts this weekend. I never get those coupons. I know there's probably going to be like 1 or 2 available on coupons.com. But I'm hoping that you guys, you know, can all get OxyClean wasted. So, sorry, my son's talking in the background. So I'm just letting you guys know on that. Here they got M&Ms on sale, 2 for $5. There is a $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. And then it looks like we'll be getting a $1 off a 2 coupon in this Sunday's inserts, I think. But otherwise, we do have those $1 off of 1 coupons from the 4/22 Red Plum. You guys will end up paying $2. But then if the deal for the Ibotta deal is still available, you guys will end up getting them all for free. So, wanted to share with you guys on that. Listerine, it's if you spend 10, you get 5,000 points. I really wish I would do more Listerine deals, but I never do. So, just wanted to share with you guys on that. And now I'm going to have to move this so I can show you guys. Okay, so here we got food. They got Bush's beans for 99 cents. Now, those are the 8.3 ounces. I am not sure if those coupons that we have would work for them, but they're in the 4.29 Smart Source if you guys want to check that out. They got Vlasic pickles for $2.99. We do have a $1 off a 2 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. I wouldn't say that's a great deal, but if you guys are on a crunch and have a lot of points to waste, go for it. Here we got Lindsay olives, 2 for $2. There is a $1 off a 2 coupon in the ilovelindsay.com, so you guys will end up getting each one for 50 cents. So that's a pretty good deal, and that Ibotta deal is no longer good. So, sorry my son doesn't understand to be quiet. So here we got the Russell Stover candy. Now this is 2 for $7. Now there's a deal that you guys can do Sunday only. So Sunday, May 20th. You guys we have those $1 off of 1 coupons, plus I think there's those $2 off of 2 coupons from the 4/22. I forgot to write what it was. It's Smart Source. I don't remember. But those end up becoming $2.50 a piece if you guys really enjoy those. But please keep in mind that is a Sunday only deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Not much else going on with the food and the snacks. But if you guys see any deals that I missed, please let me know. This stuff is $5 and $6. I can't remember if we're getting certain coupons for those, but if you guys really need some of that stuff to stock up on, go for it. Here's some cleaning products. Nothing really pops out at me except the Gain is $2.99 after a $2 off coupon. That could be an okay deal. The Persil is $4.99 with a $2 off coupon. Snuggle is buy one, get one free. I don't know if we have any coupons for those. This stuff's 25% off, so if you guys need some pool stuff, definitely go for that. He's excited. We're at Grandma's house today. So, there's that. Benjamin, stop. The Wet n Wild is 40% off. Now, we are getting 50% off coupons that you guys can use, so those could be some great cheap, like, little gifts and stuff you guys want to give Wet n Wild. I like Wet n Wild. I have no problem using Wet n Wild. Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. We are getting 3 off of 2 coupons, plus there is a $1 off of 1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, which you guys can have them scan it once, but it'll take off both of them, making them just $1 a piece. Not sure if that's a great deal for you guys, but I wanted to share with you guys with that. Then they got Stay Free, buy one, get one 50% off. We do have those 3 off of 2 coupons that we just got in last week's paper. and it has a deal where also if you guys buy 2, you get a $3 or 3,000 points. So I'm going to definitely try to see if I can get a deal with that. Otherwise, nothing going on with razors. I'm hoping a lot of you guys... Okay, sorry about my kid. So I'm hoping a lot of you guys all got Colgate wasted because these are $4.99. I know we're only getting 50% off coupons, and then you get a $5 registry reward when you buy 2. So again, do not do that deal unless you guys need toothpaste. But I'm hoping a lot of you guys got toothpaste wasted over the last 2 weeks. Here we got medicine. Nothing's really popping out at me for those deals. A lot of the Band-Aids and stuff are still on sale, you guys, so make sure you guys definitely check out Band-Aids, Vaseline, all that stuff. I have a couple more ideas of scenarios I want to share with you guys, so be prepared so I can show you guys those. Here they got all $2.99, and then we're getting $1 off coupons for $1, or you get it for $1.99. Now they do have the power packs. Now last time those coupons we could use the $2 off ones for those. So if that's true, you guys can get the power packs for just 99 cents. So I'm just letting you guys know with that. I did look up Tenya on the Ibotta app and nothing popped up, so I don't know if that's a dead deal or not. But then they got candy, Milka or Reese's or Nesco wafers, 2 for $1. Now we do have, I think, some Oreo bar, candy bar coupons, so definitely try to do those coupons if you guys can. Those could be some easy freebies. Cereal is $1.88. We might have some coupons to find, but yeah, so that is what is all in the Walgreens ad for the week of May 20th. I think there's some pretty decent deals. I'm excited, and I hope you guys get excited. You know, there's some more great deals. If you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. If I missed any awesome deals, please let me know so I can share with you guys on Sunday with my haul. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.